Alright, so now once you've downloaded this application and you've copied the URL of your distributor website, press New Project, paste the URL to your distributor's website, start project on this URL. I'm going to click on Browse, click on Show More. I'm going to get out of Browse. Right now I'm going to quickly change the title of this to Products. I'm going to click this. Alright, it's been clicked. I'm going to click the next one. Alright, now I have 28 items. Alright, but I need 96 since there are 96 items on this page. I gotta keep going down, see what's not selected, which is most likely 2-day delivery. Yep, it's not selected. I'm going to select it. Right, 96. I got 96 items selected. Alright, now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to the delivery type. I'm going to click on this, relative select, delivery underscore type 1. And so first we're going to do next day delivery. I'm going to click this, click next day delivery. Alright, since the first one I clicked was to next day delivery, I gotta do the exact same thing again. I cannot go and click this and then click out of stock. If I click this right now and click out of stock, the whole program will crash. So be sure that if you start off with, for example, this and then next day delivery, make sure you do the exact same thing again so the system doesn't crash. Right, so now you see it's a 1 over here, and now it's going to be 21. There you go, 21. Right, now I'm going to make another page. Another relative sheet, call it delivery underscore type 2. Alright, now I called the delivery type 2. Now we're going to go with out of stock. Click it. Alright, I did it once. There's one item. I'm going to do it again. Alright, now there's 7 items, so there's 7 out of stock items on this one page, and now I'm going to do it for a third time, delivery type 3. Relative select, delivery type 3. Next we have to do, now I'm going to look for the 2-day delivery one. I got to find 2 of them. Alright, I got 1. As you can see, 0, and now it's 1. And now I got to find another one. Alright, here it is. As you can see, 68 2-day delivery ones on this one page. Alright, now that all of that is done, next I'm going to click on, again, this plus mark right here, relative select. Now we're going to look for the part number. Part, and the reason why I put an underscore is because if I put a space bar, as you can see, it's going to give you an error. So put an underscore, part number, and you can't even put this because it doesn't allow this type of command. So it has to be all letters and underscore. Alright, so now that I've put that, click on this, go and click on the actual number. Don't click on part because then it'll only select part number. Alright, so that's been selected. I gotta do it again. Part number. Alright, so now 28 of part numbers have been selected. So now what has not been selected is the 2-day delivery part numbers. The reason why is because, as you can see over here, the picture, the orange with the exclamation point is different from this, and it doesn't recognize it, and that's why it doesn't do it. So you have to manually do it again 2 times, or once actually. So I'm going to do it once, part number, it's going to turn to 96, watch. 96, there you go. You're done with that. Next is cost. I'm going to press plus again, relative select, cost. Alright, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the title again. This time click on cost. See, one has been selected. I'm going to do it again. Now it's going to be about 20 something, I believe, 28, and I got to do it once more with the 2-day delivery ones. So I just got to find one that's 2-day delivery. As you can see, out of stock has been selected, so just 2-day delivery. Quickly find one. Alright, do this, and 96. Yep, 96. Next, what you got to do is, so now that you've selected everything, next step is to select, actually let's go to the bottom of the page. But before doing so, let's just take a look at our data set. As you can see, everything's here, show more data. It's loading. As you can see, all 96 data sets are here for the first page. So next step is to click on the plus mark near page. Click on select, change the title to page number. Then actually click on the arrow to go to the next page. And now click on this right here, automatic extraction of text URLs and image SRCs. And then delete them. Delete these two right here because you don't need it. Delete these two commands. Then click on the plus right here. Then click on click. Now it's going to ask you, is the arrow, is this the next button? You're going to click on yes. Repeat this current template 0 or more times, where 0 equals infinity, so we're going to leave it at 0. And repeat current template. Okay, now that that's done, let's wait for the data to extract. Let's see if everything looks good. It's a very large data set, that's why it's taking a while. Alright, so now that it's done, as you can see, everything looks good. Everything looks like it's where it's supposed to be. Next, we're going to click on Get Data. We're going to click on Run. Okay, now this part might take a while, so you can skip ahead if you'd like. It's going to collect the data from all the pages. Alright, I'm going to post a separate video once the Excel file is done. Once it's done collecting the pages and I have the Excel file, I will be posting another video.